Hi, I'm Brad Wild from the Go Wild team at REMAX. So the numbers are in for May, and this is what's happening in the Kitchener-Waterloo Real Estate Market. If we look at the number of sales we had in the month of May, there were 643 sales. Now that is down 15% from the 760 that we saw in May of 2017. However, on a positive note, we are up 8% from the number of sales we saw last month in April, so we are moving in a positive direction. Now, looking at the number of active listings right now, there's 1,158 active listings on the market in the KW region. Now, that is up 23% from the 939 listings that we had last year, and we are seeing this number continue to build a bit month after month. However, that is normal as we go into the spring market and into the summer. So it'll be interesting to see what happens over the next few months as far as inventory goes. Now, looking at number of new listings that hit the market, there was 1,017 new listings to come on the market in May this year. Now, that is down 18% from the amount of listings that we had in May of 2017. But you have to remember, May of last year was a little bit of an abnormal month. Everyone who was thinking about selling rushed to get their houses on the market in May as soon as they heard about the foreign buyers tax being announced at the end of April. So this is a more normal number for us to see. Now, looking at our average sale price. So there's an average sale price in the KW region of $497,000. And that's for all housing properties. Now, looking at last year, we're down about 2%. So not a huge difference, but we are still down a little bit year over year. And then diving into more detail, looking at detached houses, they have an average sale price of $593,000. So down again 2%. From $608,000 that we had in May of last year. However, we're up 5% from April. So we are seeing the numbers go in a positive direction and build month over month, which is great. We're just not quite up to last year's numbers yet. Now, looking at attached houses, they had an average sale price of $368,000, which is again down 2% from last year. And looking at condo-style apartments, they had an average sale price of $297,000 in the month of May, which is actually up 1%. So they're now in a positive year-over-year comparison from last year. Overall, when we're looking at the average sale prices, we are starting to see the gap from last year and this year narrow, which is great, and it's showing that our prices are building back up and our market's building back up. Now, looking at what houses are selling for, right now on average, houses are selling for 100% of asking, which is excellent. And of the houses that are selling, we've got 44% of them are going to multiple offers and selling above asking. And when you look at the ones that are selling over asking, this is another interesting thing to look at. 87.5% of those properties are listed under $600,000. So that shows you that that market of 600 and under right now is very active. Now, if we look at months of inventory on the market, which is our supply and demand for the market, we've got 1.8 months of inventory. Anything under 2 months of inventory is considered, anything under 5 months of inventory is considered a seller's market. So the fact that we're under 2 months of inventory puts us in a strong seller's market. We are also seeing this number continually drop month over month, which again is showing that our market is building up and we're getting into a stronger market. Overall, the market's been performing really well. We're seeing the average sale prices continue to go up month over month. Houses on average are selling for 100% of asking, with 44% of them actually going over list. That market between that, or under that $600,000 price point right now is really, really active. So it's a great opportunity if you're looking to upsize right now and sell your house in that price point and then buy in a higher price point, which is excellent. I think we're going to continue to see the market build, and we're going to continue to see more people jump into the market. I even know with our listings over the last 3 weeks of May and then the first week of June, we've had a lot more offers on our property, and I think that's going to continue to build throughout the second half of this year. I think that 2018, we are going to see a stronger second half than we did in the first half, which is kind of abnormal for our traditional real estate market. If you have any questions about the market, please comment below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks and have a great day.